Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Solana update. Hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all having a good weekend. It's a little bit of a quiet weekend, so I don't expect many people to watch these videos. But that's okay. For those of you who want to be updated on Solana, I will update you. We'll talk about the fundamentals, we'll talk about the technicals, and obviously we'll talk about what I expect in terms of the price. All right, so that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. Unfortunately, this weekend, at least for Solana, for different reasons, has been relatively bearish. We had some bearish momentum overnight as well. If you look at Bitcoin, which I deleted the chart, but still, no, there it is. So if you look at Bitcoin, we had a bit of a spike into support as well. Bitcoin is actually still holding its support. But what that meant for Solana, because Solana against Bitcoin has still been falling a lot since the last time we looked at it yesterday, has still been falling a lot. So what that means is that at least for now, Solana against Bitcoin is weaker. So where Bitcoin was able to hold its support, Solana actually dropped down below its support. And that happened, and now we're below 135. And just in general, if you zoom out here, that's quite bearish. All right, because this means, and we talked about this earlier as well, this means that we're dropping down to the bottom of the range here at 128 and, well, ultimately 115, right? So you can see that there's a big level right here between 126, 128, maybe even 130 if you stretch it all the way up, all the way down to 115. It's a major support level. We have never dropped below that since the beginning of March. We came close Monday the 5th of August when we had that crash. But it looks like we're going there again. All right, we had, even though it's the weekend and breakouts on the weekend or breakdowns in this case are not always to be trusted. In this case, I do think we can trust it. Now, does that mean that Solana is turning super bearish here? Not necessarily, but I do think the market structure as it stands right now is bearish for Solana. And there's multiple things behind that. I mean, we already talked about the relative strength of Solana against Bitcoin. Like I said, that's very weak right now. And then I would suspect that this is the same, but the momentum for Solana right now is also not the greatest. Even though, kind of on a tangent, kind of to talk about something else, what you do see right now is that there's a lot of shorts being opened on Solana. All right, and I understand why, because we are quite bearish here, both technically and fundamentally. But that also means that I do think the chance of us holding this support level is higher because of the potential liquidity to the upside right here. So that's in short what I expect. All right, in short, what I expect is that this short-term bearish momentum will continue at least down to the support level right here at 126 and 120. I don't think we'll drop down all the way to 115, but from there I do think we'll be able to at least get a spike back up to the 130s and 140 potentially even. That's what I expect in terms of price movement. And then to kind of finish this video, I also wanted to talk about fundamentals a little bit, because I think that one of the causes behind this bearish pressure and bearish momentum for Solana is the fundamentals. We already looked at that earlier, but what you see right now is that both the revenue for Solana, the DEX trading volumes, which are obviously correlated, but also the total value locked are dropping down quite a bit. So the network of Solana is dropping down in value, which obviously has an effect on the price as well. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on. Whether those will increase, whether those will recover when the real trading starts back up again in September. That's what we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that. But that's important to know. For now, that's also one of the reasons why I expect this in combination with the technicals. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.